Greenworks 40V Cordless Backpack Sprayer, 4 gallons/5 tips/25-foot spray, for weeding, spraying, and cleaning, 2.0 Ah battery and charger included. The Greenworks 40V Cordless Backpack Sprayer is a convenient and efficient tool for weeding, spraying, and cleaning. It has a 4-gallon capacity and comes with 5 different spray tips, allowing you to customize the spray pattern to fit your specific needs. The 25-foot spray range is great for larger areas, and the backpack design makes it comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. One of the key features of this sprayer is that it is cordless, which means you don't have to worry about finding an outlet or dragging a cord around with you. The 2.0 Ah battery that comes with the sprayer provides plenty of power for most tasks, and the charger ensures that you can quickly recharge the battery when needed. This sprayer is also designed with convenience and ease of use in mind. The tank has a wide mouth for easy filling, and the pump handle is ergonomic for comfortable operation. The wand and hose are both flexible and durable, making it easy to reach and spray in tight spaces. The Greenworks 40V Cordless Backpack Sprayer is a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable and efficient sprayer for weeding, spraying, and cleaning. It is cordless, comfortable to wear, and comes with everything you need to get started.